Hello, David here, and the project for today is to begin the discussion on American-made sling swivels. This is a quick detached sling swivel from Magpul, also known as a QD Sling Swivel. This is model MAG 540. It's for 1¼ inch webbing. And you could get these from Communist China for half the price. And I decided not to buy those. I'm only getting the American-made ones because I've heard reports of the Asian sling swivels pulling out, and I don't want to use a sling swivel where I've got $1,000 or more invested in a rifle and the rifle falls off and crashes on the concrete. I really love how convenient these are. Can't beat that. Anyway, I want to know your comments. Please let me know under the comments section. Let me know if you've had success with the foreign manufacturers of the sling swivels. I just don't want to take that chance of not using an American-made sling swivel. That's all I've got. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.